Welcome back to this channel. This is Andrew taking you in mathematics, primary 5. In our previous lesson, we learnt about fractions and we moved as far as changing from improper fraction to a mixed number, and that's where we ended last time. Now for this one, we are going to do the vice versa, changing from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Very first here, changing from a mixed number to an improper fraction. And quickly here we shall go through the examples. A question can be asked that change 3 whole number and 1 out of 2 to an improper fraction. This one we have a simple formula that we use, but the first thing that we need to know that 3 whole number, these are 3 numbers and they have different parts. You must know that this 3 stands for a whole number, then this 1 stands for the numerator, and the 2 stands for the denominator. So in this particular number, we have a formula that we use to change this fraction to an improper fraction. And the formula is denominator multiplied by the whole number plus the numerator, and you divide everything out of the denominator. I'm going to repeat that again. Denominator, for this case, which is 2, will be multiplied by the whole number, which is 3. Then we add 1, which is our numerator. Let's go to the next slide here. So our fraction is 3 whole number, 1 out of 2. Using the formula that I said before, that the denominator times whole number plus numerator divide by 2. So we are going to do the substitution because the formula is already here. This is the denominator, which is 2. We shall multiply it by 3, which is our whole number. Then we add 1, and everything we shall divide by 2. Then you come here and work out this. 2 times 3 gives us 6, plus the 1 which is there out of 2. So the final answer will be 7, which is 6 plus 1 out of 2. So when you convert this number to an improper fraction, you come up with 7 out of 2. And this is your final answer. Let's do one more example here quickly. Let's say you have been given a number like 5 whole number, then 2 out of 3. This is now a mixed number. Let's try to change it to an improper fraction. Still using our formula, which says that denominator times whole number plus numerator, divide everything by the denominator. This is the denominator. So here in this number, 5 whole number and 2 out of 3, our denominator is 3 times the whole number, which is 5. Then we add the numerator, which is 2, and we divide everything by the denominator, which is 3. So we shall multiply 3 times 5, giving us 15. Then we add 2 to it, and everything is out of 3. So 15 plus 2 will give us 17 out of 3. And that is your final answer. And for this is our last example. Under this one, I'm giving also one number for my learners to try. A question can be set just like convert the following to an improper fraction. Then A can be given 4 whole number, 2 out of 3. B will try 10 whole number, 1 out of 5. And C, you are going to try this one, 8 whole number, 3 out of 4. This one will be your trial numbers. If you try them, put the answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next one.